BMW G8X BCM installation. First, remove the G8X center armrest trim and the gear shift module trim. Remove the 4 screws on the gear shift module and carefully lift it up. Unplug the communication harness connector from the gear shift module. Take the ZESTEK BCM harness. Connect it to the OEM gear shift module, then plug the other end into the OEM harness. Once done, connect the ZESTEK BCM module. Find a suitable spot under the gear shift module to secure the ZESTEK BCM. Once secured, reinstall the gear shift module and other OEM parts. ZESTEK BCM body control module installation is complete.